Joining us tonight, dog owners in Kabul are hoping to get justice for their service animal.
Ryan and Nicole Wood's dog Scooby died in June at Fantastic Dog Groomers in Mountain Grove. And two of the shop's employees appeared in court today facing charges of animal abuse. Color 10's Parker Paget attended the hearing. He's live in Mountain Grove this afternoon.
Yeah, Ryan and Nicole Wood thought the case against the two employees at this pet groomer behind me would have been resolved today, but those proceedings were pushed back, and that's left the two circling another date on their calendar. Ryan and Nicole Wood, hoping for closure today, left without.
Having customers come in on the regular, looking for Scooby, asking about Scooby, so it's definitely reoccurring.
Today in a Wright County courtroom, Michelle and Renee Butts had a hearing regarding animal abuse charges connected to the death of Scooby, Ryan's service animal. The hearing was to determine whether the defendants would stand trial or plead guilty. Neither happened, and the proceedings were pushed to November.
We're trying to run a shop, we're trying to run a business. Having this drag on is not the best thing for either parties. I think at this point, we're just wanting closure.
In June, Scooby was dropped off at Fantastic Grooming in Mountain Grove, and within an hour, authorities in the woods were called.
When I read the statement of probable cause, I think I went through all the emotions over again, and even more so anger, because it was pretty detrimental what I read, and yeah, it really hurt.
That probable cause statement says Scooby was left unattended in the back of the shop after his washing, and he died from choking. The Woods have tried to turn Scooby's death into good for others, starting with the Scooby-Doo Project, where they'll be pushing for more state regulations for groomers.
The Scooby-Doo Project kind of incorporates this whole process of the legal side plus a dog park. Potentially, I'd like to see like a dog grooming station, kind of like they have at other places where you can bring your dog and groom themselves. Potentially have trainers come and show you how to properly groom your dog, have training sessions and stuff like that.
I reached out to Michelle Butts for comment, and we spoke on the phone briefly this afternoon. She says she'd like to share her side in a future story, but was not available to meet today. Reporting live in Mountain Grove, Parker Paget, Color 10 News.